Unlocking Financial Freedom, the comprehensive guide to building your rich life. In the next 10 minutes, I'm about to unveil the roadmap to financial freedom. I'm here to unpack the wisdom from I Will Teach You to Be Rich, an updated version of a book that's not just a guide, it's a transformative journey. So, let's dive into the 5 essential messages that will pave the way for you to live your rich life. But first, this is Ash Cash Tash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Section number 1. Defining your rich life. Before delving into the intricacies of financial matters, Morgan Housel prompts readers to embark on a soul-searching journey by posing a fundamental question. What does rich mean to you? He highlights the rarity of taking a mere 10 minutes to ponder the concept of a rich life, emphasizing that it extends beyond mere frugality. Instead, he encourages individuals to contemplate and define a life that aligns with their values, whether it involves guilt-free indulgence in appetizers or envisioning grand aspirations of a life well lived. Housel urges readers to craft a personalized definition of what rich truly means to them. This introspective approach challenges the conventional notion of wealth solely on monetary terms. It invites individuals to explore the broader and more nuanced dimensions of a fulfilled and meaningful life. Rich transcends financial metrics and encompasses the emotional, experiential, and values-driven aspects that contribute to a sense of abundance and well-being. Housel's call to define one's rich life serves as a reminder that financial decisions are deeply intertwined with personal values and aspirations. By taking the time to reflect on what rich means on an individual level, readers can gain clarity on their priorities and make financial choices that align with a more holistic vision of wealth and fulfillment. Section number 2. Extravagant spending on passions. The conventional financial wisdom that advises individuals to cut back on everything. Instead, he proposes a radical notion: discard the idea of widespread austerity and, in its place, adopt a mindset of spending extravagantly on what brings joy while rigorously cutting costs on what doesn't. This approach champions conscious spending, urging individuals to identify their money dial, the specific areas that bring them the most satisfaction, and turning up the volume on those choices. By allowing oneself the freedom to say yes to what genuinely matters, this approach promises to not only reshape spending habits, but also fundamentally transform one's overall financial perspective. At the heart of this unconventional philosophy is the notion of aligning spending with personal values and priorities. Housel encourages a mindful examination of expenses, advocating for investments in areas that bring true fulfillment. The aim is not to endorse reckless spending, but rather to inspire a thoughtful and intentional allocation of resources based on what genuinely adds value to one's life. Identifying and amplifying the money dial becomes a catalyst for a more purposeful and satisfying relationship with money. This approach signifies a departure from a mindset of scarcity toward one of empowerment, allowing individuals to allocate their financial resources in a way that resonates deeply with their passions and values. Ultimately, the transformation in financial outlook emerges from the recognition that money, when spent consciously and in alignment with personal values, has the potential to enhance the quality of life in profoundly meaningful ways. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the subscribe squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Section number 3. Limits to cutting, no limits to earning. If increasing personal spending feels like a challenge, Morgan Housel suggests a shift in focus to examine the broader financial landscape. Are debts looming, or are fixed costs consuming a significant portion of income? While cutting expenses has its limitations, the potential for earning more is virtually boundless. Housel recommends exploring strategies such as negotiating a raise, seeking higher-paying employment, or even venturing into a side business. By altering one's money mindset, individuals can unlock the door to new earning opportunities. The emphasis on looking beyond spending constraints to broader financial picture underscores the importance of addressing income-related factors. Household encourages individuals to assess whether debts or fixed costs are hindering financial flexibility. Recognizing that the potential for growth is far more expansive on the earning side, he suggests strategic moves like negotiating a salary increase, actively seeking higher-paying employment, or exploring entrepreneurial avenues through side businesses. The call to change one's money mindset is a pivotal aspect of this approach. Shifting from a restrictive view focused solely on cutting expenses to a mindset that explores and capitalizes on earning opportunities opens up new possibilities. By embracing a proactive stance towards income generation, individuals can tap into their earning potential more effectively and unlock a pathway to financial growth and freedom. Section number 4. Simplifying long-term investing. Investing often seems like an intimidating game of picking stocks and deciphering market trends. It's time to dispel that myth. Simple long-term investing is the key. Set up an investment plan, automate your savings, and let the magic of compound interest work for you. Investing should be as thrilling as watching concrete dry, boring yet incredibly profitable over the long haul. Section number 5. The power of big wins. Forget sweating the small stuff. Let's focus on the big wins. A $5 coffee won't make or break your financial destiny, but mastering a few key principles will. Learn the basics of personal finance, automate your savings, find a fulfilling job, earn extra income on the side, and secure an affordable living situation. These are the true game changers that will catapult you into your rich life. There you have it, the comprehensive guide to unlocking your rich life. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and share your thoughts in the comments. For additional financial insights, check out the video popping on your screen. Thanks for joining me on this financial odyssey, and until next time, stay financially empowered. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash.